Hey everyone, and welcome back to class. Today, we're going to talk about something that often scares students, but really shouldn't. I'm talking about solving algebraic equations. Now don't panic, because once you understand the method, it's actually like solving a little mystery. Let me show you how to make it simple. So let's start with the basics. What is an algebraic equation? It's just a math sentence that says two things are equal. One side equals the other. For example, x plus 4 equals 10. This is telling us something. When you add 4 to it equals 10. Our job is to find out what that something, which we call x, actually is. Now here's the golden rule. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. Think of it like a scale. You need to keep it balanced. In our example, x plus 4 equals 10. The 4 is being added to x. So to cancel that out, we do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. Let's subtract 4 from both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. That gives us, as your x, take our 6. That's it. You've just solved your first equation. Now let's try one that looks a little different. 3x equals 15. Here, 3 is multiplied by x. So we'll do the opposite. Divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals 15 divided by 3. That gives us x equals 5. Boom. Another one done. Now what happens when the equation has two steps, the plus 5? So subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 13 minus 5. That gives us 2x equals 8. Step 2. And now divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2 times equals 4. 2 steps, but easy when you go one at a time. Now let's talk about a couple special situations. What if the equation has a negative number, like negative 4x equals 20? Same rules apply. Divide both sides by negative 4, x equals negative 5. Or what about this one? X divided by 2 equals 7. Here, x is divided by 2. So we do the opposite. Multiply both sides by 2, x equals 14. Easy, right? Now here's a quick tip. Always check your answer. Take your value for x and plug it back into the original equation to make sure it works. In our last example, x equals 14. Let's check it in. X divided by 2 equals 7. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Perfect. So to sum it up, here's your step-by-step checklist. Identify the variable, usually x. Use opposite operations to move numbers across the equal sign. Do the same thing on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. Work step by step, slowly and carefully. Check your answer by plugging it back in. Math is just logic. Once you understand the rules, you're just solving puzzles, and puzzles can be fun. So keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.